Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Lucid Motors on Monday, February 24th, 2025. The reason I came here today is because I was going to shoot Nikola Motors in Coolidge, Arizona, and I thought, well, I'm close, so I will come over here and see if I see any Gravities. This is the original parking lot. I wanted to show what the number of employees. There's a huge amount of employees that are working in the assembly plant, and they're ready to be shipped cars, waiting their turn for the transport. Again, I was looking for Gravities or the Sapphire, and there probably is a Sapphire in there, but I couldn't spot it, or I would have zoomed in on it. And again, I'm about 1,000 feet now. I'm down lower. I'm trying to stay away from those poles, the light poles. That makes it a little bit harder, but I'm showing you what the cars look like. I did not spot any Gravities. There were 4 or 5 transport trucks there shipping cars off today. This is again Monday. They seem to be quite busy, always there, which is nice. They have a lot of cars ready to be shipped to various dealers, or hopefully being sold. I'm not sure how their sales are coming along. I want to talk about the stock. The stock today closed at let's see, what did it close at? Lucid. I think it's $2.78. Yeah, $2.78 a share. I think the last time I did this, it was close to $3 a share. There's some of the transport trucks. That first one right there, that's the one I think they'd sneak some Gravities in. But even there, I did not see any Gravities. So I kind of staying out of their fence line there and zooming in on these cars. This is probably 3X, because I'm quite a ways away from there. And I'm not 1,000 feet. I'm probably about 150 feet above the ground right now. And just kind of scanning and see if I can find any of those elusive Gravities. They're probably going to be coming out in the second quarter. I'm not sure. That's what the rumors are. The second quarter, first part of the second quarter, we'll see more of them. I will be shooting a video in March again to see if it just happened to be coming out. And the reason I'm shooting this video early is because, again, I was Nikola Motors declared Chapter 11 bankruptcy last week, and I wanted to see if there were less employees there than normal, and there wasn't. I was very surprised how active it was there. But you can see that video for yourself. They have various cars, and a lot of them have panoramic windows, and I'm surprised to see some solid metal tops when you get in there close. Those are probably at a discount, maybe, because their cars, the Pure starts off at $69,000. They do have a dealership in Scottsdale, and one of these days I might go up there before we go back to North Dakota and take a test drive in one of them just to see what they're really like. I'm sure they're quite fantastic driving cars. So as I say, the stock prices kind of went down, but that doesn't mean that the company is having problems. I think all electric car companies are having problems in the United States right now. Not overseas, but here in this country. People are reluctant for some reason to want to drive electric. And I don't push it anymore like I used to. We've been driving electric since 2017, fully electric cars. And, well, we still have a diesel van, still have a diesel pickup, which I enjoy driving the van once in a while. It's an old one, but it still works pretty good. So anyway, I just thought I would give you a heads up on what's going on here at Lucid. I didn't talk to any employees or anything like that, and I didn't get a chance to talk to the battery guy that I ran across the other day. But anyway, enjoy the video, and we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.